Whether you're working for a company, freelancing, or still looking for your first job, the end of the year is a golden opportunity to sharpen your skills, create impactful projects, and even get noticed by employers. So grab a notebook. I'm about to share actionable tips that can help you stand out. First thing first, why is the end of the year so important? Businesses, both big and small, are closing out their financial year, wrapping up projects and making plans for the next year. And guess what? They need insights, lots of them. And guess what? That is where data analysts like you comes in. Whether it's tracking sales trends, understanding customer behavior, or performance of its sale, businesses need data to make informed decisions. So how can you take advantage of this? Let me break it down into actionable steps. So step one, help businesses with their end of the year analysis. Startups or small businesses around your area most times don't even have the resources to employ a professional data analyst. That's where you come in. You take that opportunity to go and offer your skills. Let me give you an example. I work at a company called Codex Africa, situated in Anambra State, Oka. I recently completed the end of the year analysis, analyzed trends, tracked metrics, provided insights to help the company plan for the next year. It was such a rewarding experience. But I didn't stop there. I also reached out to a local grocery store owned by a friend. I offered to analyze our sales data for free. Yes, for free. Because of my love for data and how much I want to make an impact with data, I offered to analyze their sales data for free, and you can do this also. Now, you might be wondering, why will I work for free? Well, you can see this as an investment, building your skills, you gaining reward experience, creating a portfolio that showcases your ability to deliver results. But you never know where it can lead you to, like referrals, testimonials, even a job offer. And you know that people are attracted to reward projects. Go to work with sample projects and all, but you get more attention when people see that you are working on a real life project, giving solution to a real life problem. Let me tell you why this strategy is so powerful. When you reach out to businesses and say, hey, I noticed you might need help analyzing your end of the year data, and I would love to assist. You're positioning yourself as a proactive and solution oriented person. And here is the thing, businesses remember people who help them solve problems. Even if they can't hire you now, they will think of you in the future when they need your service, or even refer you to someone that will need your service. Step two. Before we move into the step two, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. We give out tutorials and also videos like these that can help improve your career and take you to the next level. All right, let's move back step two. So what is step two? Step two is create project with sample data. Now, what if you don't know anyone who owns a business, or you're not comfortable reaching out just yet? That's not a problem. That's fine. There's something you can do. You can simply create your own end of the year analysis using a sample data set. There are tons of free data sets available online in Kaggle and in government websites. I'll put the link to these websites in my description, so if you want to go check it out, you can just go to my description. You can find data on sales, social media trends, or even public health data. Pick something that interests you and pretend as if you're analyzing it for a business. For example, let's say you find in sales data, you can analyze the yearly trend, identify the best performing month, and even create a dashboard to showcase your insights. These kinds of projects are perfect for sharing on LinkedIn and GitHubs, where recruiters and potential employers can see your approach and your skills in action. Here's a tip: make your analysis visual and actionable. Use tools like Excel, Power BI, or Tableau to create charts and dashboards. If you're analyzing sales data, don't just say sales increase in Q4. Go deeper, explain why it happened and what businesses can do to keep it going. This shows you can think critically and provide value. So guys, to recap, first step was reach out to businesses, startups, and small business, local shops, and offer to help them with their end of the year analysis. It's a win-win for both of you. Then step two, if you don't have access to real world data, create your own project by using samples. There's nothing wrong with using samples actually. And then share them online to build your portfolio. End of the year is a perfect time to show what you are capable of doing as a data analyst. Whether you're helping a business for free or creating personal projects, every effort brings you closer to your career goals. So guys, that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And I would like to hear from you. What projects are you working on as a AA? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Happy analyzing. Bye.